Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you a tool that uses AI to upscale images, including photos, renders, AI art, basically every single type of image. So yeah, let's get into it. So Waveview 2x uses the convolutional neural networks to improve the resolution of these illustrations. So I'm going to show you right now how it works. It sounds complicated, but it's really easy. You have two options right here. Okay, you go to the website. I'm going to list down the description, and this is going to open for you. So you have two ways. You can either copy and paste the URL of an existing image on your browser, or you can select a file from your computer. So I'm going to try selecting one file. I'm going to choose this one because, why? Well, you can see here that on properties that the image has 512 by 512 pixels. Okay, so I want it to be bigger than that, so that's why. So here you have disclaimers, like you have maximum 5 megabytes and noise resolution of 3000 pixels. I'm going to explain this a little bit later. So yeah, you can here choose if you have, like, this picture was an illustration, but you can use photography as well. You have a picture that it is small and you want to make it bigger, you can use this tool to do that. Okay, and here comes the noise reduction. So noise reduction, as you know, is like polishing up the image. I always suggest to use like medium, because if you go below or you go low or none, it's going to affect the result. Let me show you. Here they say noise reduction is required if the image has compression artifacts. Otherwise, it could produce the opposite effect. So it's suggested to use like medium. Of course, you can go higher, but this is the, if you don't want any changes in your picture, you can choose this one. And the resolution as well. You can increase resolution here as well. How you can do that? You can just click by 2x or 1.6x. I'm gonna choose 2x, and I'm gonna click this. Now you have two options: to convert or download it right away. So I'm gonna convert it, so you can see here in the browser all the dimensions. They show here the final dimension. So it is loading, and now it is 1024 by 1024. So after that, you just click either download from here, or you can download it from here. So I'm gonna download it from here, and I'm gonna choose, this was right here, yeah, scale it. So now we have it. Now I'm gonna show you in Photoshop the real difference between every single pixel. All right, one thing I forgot to mention is that you can actually upscale your upscaled image. So the only thing you have to do is go to the website, select the file, and you're gonna choose the one you already upscaled. So this is the one. Okay, this is the one with 1024 by 1024, and you do the same process. The process repeat here, convert, and it's gonna give you two times the resolution of the original. So this is the maximum, but remember they have like a maximum resolution file. So if I try to make it a third time, it's gonna have this error. So the picture, if the picture is so big, it's not gonna work. Okay, so you make sure you respect those limits. Okay, I'm gonna make a comparison here in Photoshop to show you the actual result. Okay, so this is the original image, the 512 by 512. So if we zoom in, you're gonna see pixels here, and the quality is not so good. So focus on this eyes. Now you come here and you can see the difference right away. You can see that it has more pixels. So you can see now the difference. Okay, and this is the 512 by 512, and this is the 248 by 248. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you want to know more AI tools like this, yeah, you subscribe, because I'm gonna be uploading more tutorials like this, and with more news that are coming every single day. Yeah, so yeah, thank you for watching, guys.